Okay. Hey, I don't know if I should be showing some things. Is it illegal to show some things? Oh, hold on. Oh, yeah. Yes. This is a good day. Today has started off very well. I had a very good night's sleep. It wasn't cold. It was great. Nice and warm. I'm back at Huntington Beach. You know, I bicycled. Like literally, like I don't know how many miles, like 60 miles, something like that. Some people say that they can bike like 100 miles a day and all this other shit. I'm like, you're a fucking liar, man. That's no bullshit. Biking like hard like that. Well, I was carrying a backpack and like 30 extra, like you know, it was like I had like a backpack and this shit. And stuff inside of it. It was heavy, and you know, my own stuff. And so it wasn't like I was like nice and light and everything like that. So, you know, it feels like it's definitely a struggle going up and down hills and stuff like that. Anyway, so I'm back. I went there and back, came back. I actually found some really nice places to relax in. Anyway, so I just want to get into a food review. If you're homeless food review. I'm having some Nagshima spicy noodle. And you mix it with some Stouffer's meatloaf and mashed potato and the gravy, and it turns into something delicious. Now, one of the things that I have been watching, like on YouTube, are food reviews. And I noticed that people love these food reviews. I love the food reviews as well. So I'm just going to do a quick food review. The Nagshima, normally, to be honest, the noodles that I like the most are a different type of noodle. I forgot the name of them. But they're these really spicy Korean noodles. And normally they have them right here. They don't have them anymore. And so I had to go over there to get these and that. And you know, Huntington Beach, one of the things, you know, if you're homeless, you tend to homeless food review. One of the funny things that you do, you sometimes you search through different places for food. You know why? Because one of the things at Huntington Beach is that there's a lot of rich people around, okay? There are people who making 6-7 figures, whatever. They got like $6 million homes sitting on the beach. You think the restaurants that they're at, like, you have no idea how much shit they throw away. Which is great. For me, it's amazing. It's great. And I was a part of that as well at one point where, you know, I don't like the rest of this burrito. Doesn't look like anyone around me is poor, and who cares? Because everyone else is doing it. The tons of food. Tons of food that are just getting thrown away. I actually had a conversation with a manager today. This morning. Oh, let me just do the quick food review. You can just see. Did you see that? Yeah. Oh, I put some jalapeno in there. Homeless food review. I found the jalapeno over here. Someone had thrown away all their shit, and I found the jalapeno right there. Now, and I cut it up and put it in the soup. No, I didn't wash it. I just ate it. Here we go. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It is so good. Oh my gosh. It is savory. It's spicy. It has meat. Meatloaf. It's delicious. Homeless food review. Now, I've seen some of these reviews. These people, one of the funny things that they do. This is great. If you can get the joke, with me. Some of the reviews I see is like most of them, they go into the most expensive restaurants ever. This is the most expensive steak in existence. Wagyu beef. Oh, look at this guy. He's like all in the front. Like, that's arrestable. Go arrest him. Oh, by the way, straight ahead, and I know you can't see it because there's a restaurant in front of it or something. Right behind there is the police department. Right behind it is another police station. Fargo. Let's enjoy our food. Yummy. Oh, it's got potato in there. It's got meat. It's got jalapeno and all sorts of noodle. Noodle. Yeah. 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 Okay. Like, in order to get this joke from, like, you have had to have lived the shit that I've gone through and like just dealt with some of this bullshit. And like, you know, you go on YouTube, what's the agenda? Oh, we got MREs, military rations. I don't know what the E stands for. Some of them are good. You know, personally, the ones that I see the most, that are the most tasty, seem to be, you know, the most savory seem to be the French and the Russian MREs. Have you seen the American MREs? I just want to put this out there. They suck. You know what they got? They got like pizza bites and like they got like Hot Pockets and like bread with cheese sauce with jalapenos in it. Go take a look for yourself. I've researched it myself. Not that an MRE is a big deal. Like, there's no reason why you need to worry about an MRE. But it's like, why in America do they got the cheapest fucking food for their military? That's a good question. You definitely don't see this in an MRE. I think maybe in the Japanese MRE you might find noodle, which is very strange to me. Like, you don't have, like, that seems like one of the easiest things to make for an MRE, some noodles. I think I've seen one in the Japanese MRE. Anyway, so the Russian ones, and they got like beans and meat sauce with wine and special, like, you know, like vegetables in there and stuff. It seems to be very, very good and delicious. Uh-oh, someone's upset. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. One of the things that happens when I'm enjoying myself, and I'm glad I'm videotaping this, is that, you know, when you're enjoying yourself and telling the truth about certain things, sometimes things come along and are angry about it and try to take it from you. One of the things that I've noticed is that white people, and I'm not gonna lie, I've noticed outside of every other race, and Asians, yes, but the most has been these white males. I don't know why, but I have noticed, without a doubt, white males, or males in general, that have this incessant need to steal from me. But especially white males, Arab males, Asian males, Hispanic males. And then like the women are like just like, you know, chaos. Like it's like they're the trigger for the bomb. and the males are like the bomb. Who gives a fuck? Anyway, so as I'm enjoying myself, someone will come along and take the enjoyment away. This happens on a regular basis. I'll get it back at some point. But one of the things that, as you have seen, like I was enjoying myself in the earlier the video. Something came and took it away. No lie. I was thoroughly enjoying myself. I was having a very good day. Something came and took it away for themselves. No lie. So let's continue with the food review. That is delicious. The trick is you got to make sure that the meatloaf and the potato and the jalapeno soak in the liquid for a little while, so that you get a much more balanced taste. Oh, that's delicious. That is delicious. Oh, that's very good. And so I just wanted to record this because, you know, I see a lot of food reviews on YouTube. Like, what's the best New York steakhouse? What's the best this? What's the best that? But what about homeless food reviews? What about scrounging? Making good food out of nothing? There's a lot of people who would be interested in that. Like, oh, this costs less than $5 total. And if you chopped up a little bit of garlic, it might be as good as a $18 a bowl of noodle at one of those restaurants, plus tip. No joke. I've been to one of them, several, and had an outstanding bowl with shashu, ramen, and all this other stuff, with mushroom and stuff. Like, you know, like $5, maybe even less. You could do the same for yourself. So this is the homeless food review. Let me just get one more bite. That's delicious. Homeless food review.